Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking spicy tomato garlic shrimp. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have brown sugar, garlic, onions, tomatoes, oyster sauce, tomato sauce, spring onions, 1/2 a stick of butter, lemon. We're gonna use the lemon zest and the juice, salt and pepper, and paprika, chili, hot chili crust, and of course we have our prawn, our big shrimp, and we're gonna mix all the ingredients and we're gonna cook it. Let's do it. In a hot pan, we're gonna put our butter. This recipe has a twist of Jamaican flavor, you know what I mean? It's a little bit spicy, but it tastes really good. Okay, so we're gonna melt the butter here. Okay, the butter is melted. So next is our onions. Okay, we'll just cook the onions for a minute. It's time to put our garlic. All right. Cook it again for another minute. Now we're gonna put our tomatoes. I can smell now the aroma of tomatoes, onions, garlic, and butter. Man, it's good. We cover it for 1 minute. Now we'll add our tomato sauce. Okay. We won't put everything because we have too much of tomatoes already in the beginning. Okay, cook it again for 30 seconds or so. Now we added lemon zest already. Let's add some more of the lemon zest. And then we will add the juice. Let's add the juice, lemon juice. There you go. Another half here. Okay. And then we're gonna add our brown sugar. Just 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix it, and I'm gonna put chili crust, chili crust here. Then it's up to you how much spice you like it to be, but it depends on your taste. Okay. Now we're gonna add our shrimp. We're gonna cook the shrimp for approximately 7 minutes. Remember, we don't overcook shrimp because it will be tough. Okay, so just give it a stir, and we'll cover this for the next 3 or 4 minutes. And then we'll check it out. Okay, let's check this out. This is the time to add our paprika. Okay. All right. Just dust the paprika. Then let's stir it again. Okay, and we'll cover it. Here's our finished product. Spicy tomato garlic shrimp, Jamaican style. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you and have a good day.